This video will demonstrate how to insert disposable foam earplugs. First, you will want to make sure your hands are clean before starting. Then, to begin, you will roll the tapered end of the earplug between your thumb and forefinger into a small, crease-free cylinder to more easily fit in your ear canal. Once rolled, you will reach with the opposite hand over your head and pull your ear upward and outward to straighten the ear canal. Next, insert the tapered end of the rolled earplug well into your ear, and then hold the earplug in place for 30 to 60 seconds while the earplugs fully expand, then release. If properly fitted, the end of the earplug should not be visible to someone looking at you from the front. And that is how you properly insert a disposable foam earplug. You've come to the right place for reliable safety tips and guidelines you can trust. That's NSI.